Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance leverage. Leverage trading on Binance lets you open positions much larger than your actual capital. For example, with a $100 investment and 10 times leverage, you control a $1,000 position. This means a small price movement can lead to substantial gains or losses. It is a powerful tool, but it requires careful consideration and a clear understanding of the associated risks. To begin, you will need to transfer your assets from your spot wallet to your futures wallet on Binance. Next, navigate to the futures trading interface and select your preferred trading pair, like BTC versus USD. Here, you can adjust your leverage, perhaps starting with 5 times or 10 times. Then choose your order type, such as a limit order to buy at a specific price, and enter your desired amount. Once your leverage position is open, active management is key. It is highly recommended to immediately set a stop-loss order to protect your capital from significant downturns. You might also want to set a take-profit order to automatically close your position when it reaches your desired profit level. Always keep an eye on your liquidation price, as this is where your position will be automatically closed if the market moves too far against you. Effective risk management is paramount when using leverage. Begin with very small amounts and modest leverage, perhaps 3 times or 5 times, until you gain experience. Never invest more than you can comfortably afford to lose. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Always have a clear trading strategy and continuously learn about market analysis and advanced risk mitigation techniques to improve your success over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.